The 2011 LS. The Lexus LS is the largest Lexus sedan available. With extreme comfort for 5 adults, this car will make you feel like you are gliding on a magic carpet while you cruise the open roads, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, DVD system, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, AM/FM stereo with in-dash 6-disc CD changer, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, heated and cooled front seats, power windows, security system, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, electronic stability control. Come take a test drive today.